Hello everyone. As we have started the topic of verbs, the deep understanding of the topic verbs, let's start today. Do, does, did as main verbs and as helping verbs. So this is the first point that we are going to learn. One more point we will understand about the topic that we have done in the previous video. जैसे हमने last video में part 3 of this series जो deep understanding of the topic verb है, in that video I have explained कि how एक verb as verb तो काम करती है, sometimes works as noun and adjective also. If you want to learn that, visit third part of this series. Right? And we'll understand both the topics that we have done in the previous video. Noun, verb is noun, and do, does, did as main verb and helping verb. We are taking one verb here, work. How this works as noun and how it works as verb. So we'll learn, this is the first point that we will learn and this is the second point. Let's take an example. We will understand everything with the help of some examples. So Mohan is subject here. Does the work on time? See, we have already done कि if we have only one verb in the sentence, that means it will consider as the main verb. Okay, if we have two verbs in the sentence, then one verb is auxiliary and another one the main verb. So what you are noticing in the sentence, does and work, maybe you're finding both these verbs as verb, but let me tell you very clear point here that this is does. If we are noticing it, we will find it as a helping verb. See, but this is not an helping verb. This is a main verb here. Maybe we are finding it as main verb. This is noun here. How we can understand this is a noun here? एक तो वेरी क्लियर पॉइंट है कि अगर हमें कोई आर्टिकल इज गिवन, दिस इज आर्टिकल, आर्टिकल के एग्जैक्ट बाद हमारे पास नाउन ही आता है, वर्ब नहीं आता. एक तो इस वे से वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट कि नाउन है या वर्ब है, तो वो अगर आर्टिकल आ जाता है बिफोर दैट वर्ड, वो क्लियर कर देता है कि जो नेक्स्ट हमारा वर्ड है जस्ट आफ्टर द वर्ड, दैट इज नाउन. तो इस सेंटेंस में ओनली वन मेन वर्ब है, दैट इज डज. जब भी एक मेन वर्ब होगी वो हमारा मेन वर्ब का काम करेगी, तो डज जो है यहाँ पर मेन वर्ब का काम कर रहा है. So see the topic here, does. Does is working as main verb in this sentence. Let's connect this sentence with this topic. Does is working as main verb in this sentence. It is not working as helping verb here. Next we will do how it is working as helping verb. And see, work. Work here is not a verb here. It is working as noun here. See the next sentence. He doesn't come on time. See, come, it is main verb here. Doesn't is already given, so this is auxiliary here. See, here do, does, did. Here does is working as auxiliary. As helping or auxiliary are same. Auxiliary and main verb is second. In this sentence, we have two verbs. Doesn't, does and come. So one verb very clear कि auxiliary ही होगा और second verb main verb ही होगा. Next sentence, he did not come. In this sentence, same way, this is auxiliary and this is main verb. Very clear. This is two verbs are there in the sentence. That means one is auxiliary, another one is main verb. So did is auxiliary here and come is main verb here. See the next sentence, he did the work. Here did and work. Again, you can see an article here. The is an article. Article is given, that means this article is clearing us that work is not a verb here. This is working as noun here. That means in this sentence we have only one verb, did, and we will consider it as main verb. So this way हमने एक verb work ली, उससे हमने in sentences कैसे वो verb का काम कर रही है and how it is working is noun. It is clear with these sentences. Let's understand the next point regarding do, does, did. So we always use verb, first form of the verb with do, does, did. Let's do it with this example. He didn't came to school. This came is second form of the verb, but we are doing that do, does and did के साथ हमेशा first form of the verb का use होता है, लेकिन यहाँ पर second form of the verb दी है, come, came, come. तो came is wrong because didn't is given, did is given, that's why we have to use first form of the verb come. He didn't come to school. Let's connect next sentence, second sentence with the first one. This is he didn't came to school. He didn't come to school. He came to school. How we have to use without did here? Came is second form of the verb. V2 is here, came. So अगर सेंटेंस में did given नहीं है, then we have to use second form of the verb. Did given है तो first form of the verb, यहाँ did given नहीं है, that's why we are using second form of the verb. Let's do the next example. He did not write his homework. In this sentence, see, he did not. Did is given here, right? Right? First form of the verb, his homework. This sentence is not. This sentence is right. This was wrong. Did के साथ came था. This sentence is right. Did के साथ they have used first form of the verb. So sentence is right. He wrote his homework. Same sentence को हमने second form of the verb में लिया. ओके यहाँ पर सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब है. दिस सेंटेंस इज ऑल्सो राइट. डिड के साथ फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब और रोट के साथ रोट इज ऑलरेडी सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. So see, in this sentence, he did not write. We have two verbs. This is helping verb and this is main verb. In this sentence, we have only one verb here. This is main verb only. He wrote his homework. See here, did you complete your task? Did is given and complete. Did के साथ we are using V1 here. Same sentence connected with this one. You completed your task. Completed is second form of the verb here. Next sentence, he does his activity on time. Does here. So this is very simple. It is clear that only one verb is here. That means it is a main verb. Next sentence, he does not come on time. Two verbs are here, does and not. Does is auxiliary here and come is main verb here. Does के साथ first form of the verb. Next, they do not write an essay. Do is given here and write is given here. First form of the verb with do. So I think it is very clear to you.